Dear friends, today's topic is how to create a free subscribe button and include it in YouTube channel. So it's a very interesting topic. So those who are having YouTube channels, it will be very useful for you. And just go to Google. In Google, type this website name called Snappa, Snappa, quick and easy graphic design software. Click it. Okay, you can create online graphics in a snap. Right? Click pricing. Actually, this website has a starter pack, pro and team. Okay, the starter pack is free. One user can use. There are around 6,000 plus templates are there. The other pro and team cost you some dollars. So let us use this free starter. Right. So it's very easy to create. You can do 3 downloads per month. Click get started for free. Then create your Snappa account. Type your name, your email address, and have a password and store it. Okay, create your name, email ID, submit all these details in order to create the Snappa account. And do not forget to store the password somewhere else. Click OK. Click I am not a robot. Get started free. Click. Okay, then create a graphics. Just read it. I'm Johnny, the social media manager at Snappa. To help you get started, I have put together this quick tutorial on how to repurpose a template in less than a minute. Right? So this is the video tutorial, and once you watch the tutorial, you can go to this. Just watch the tutorial. They have given clearly the steps how to create a subscribe button, create a graphic button. Just click onto that, create a graphic. Then you can either select custom size of the click never. Okay, watch that tutorial. They have given clearly how to edit and also how to create a custom graphic design. Okay, you can change the font, you can change the background color, you can change the background image, right? You can change the font size, then everything can be done. Once that is completed, after watching this tutorial, click OK. I am ready to get started. Now custom graphic size is there. This is social media post. If you want thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, you can create it using this, or custom graphic size. Okay. Then headers, banners you can create using this snappa.com. Now I want a custom graphic size for the subscribe button is of the size 150 by 150 pixels, width 150 and height 150 pixels. Okay, so I am creating a custom graphic size. Just wait a minute. enter the size of the button, subscribe button, 150 by 150. Click create. Okay, it's loading. Now you can add a background, text or graphic to get started. So that is a background, says this image that it shows, the arrow mark that it shows. You can change the background image. Either you can change the background as an image or background color, anything you can change. Click onto that. See here, photos, patterns, colors, you can select whatever it is, up to you. Right, left side of this color you have uploads, you can upload the image also, right, and patterns also you can, it's already default, some patterns are there, you can choose that. So here I am selecting color, in that I am selecting this color. Okay, then text, I am adding up the text. Click on add a heading, it's bigger in size, so I am reducing the size of the text. Okay, even letter spacing you can change, line height also you can change. So you can explore this, you can, based on your requirement, you can able to change. Click on to that image, make a double click and then type whatever you want. I want to create a subscribe button, so I have entered subscribe, the word subscribe. So this is the image, custom image, 150px width, 150px height. Now you can drag it also. If you want, you can change the color or font. Okay, I'm dragging it down to the center. I'm increasing the font size. Increasing the font. You can change the font size and font type. What do you feel look good, nice, good, what do you feel good, you can select. You can select which is the best. I feel this is nice, so I am selecting that. I'm increasing this font size much more. Okay. YouTube is asking us for having a watermark or the subscribe button with size 150 by 150. Okay. I'm changing the color of the font to white so that for this background it attracts. Let us change the color to golden color. Change the background also to black, much more darker. Yes, go to custom, then select a darker color. This looks much more attractive. So based on your need, based on your personal, okay, you can select the background color and the font of the wording and also the color of the wording. Then at the top, let us have a play button or YouTube button, so that it will be easy for the subscribers to subscribe. Okay, let us explore what are the options available. Let me check for these shapes. And also upload an image. Selecting the photo. Just explore the options which are available in snappa.com. Just a minute, just wait. Click graphics, then search. Okay. Okay, fine now. Just a minute. Just scroll it down. Check for any other good image available. This looks somewhat nice. Even you can select your own photos. You can upload, which you already have on. Play button. Not good. Search. Okay. You can upload the image. So let me check any other good images are there. Images are not available. They have deleted already. Let me close it and cancel it. Search for the vectors. If anything is available, nice. Not good. Load graphics. back to photos YouTube. I think this would be nice. Let me click it. Okay. Let me size it, make it bigger, resize it. Just a minute. Okay, let me resize again so that it looks quite much more attractive. So make it a sender. Okay, I think this is good. Click save. Image will be stored into this snappa.com website. Now you can download this image from the download section. It is given at the top right side. After save, share, then download. Click on to download. So in this Retina JPG is much more nicer. Use 2x size. Also resolution is very high. Downloading the image. Saving it in some location in my computer. Let me give a file name as subscribe button, YouTube, then click save. Now let us go back to the channel and upload this image. Upload this subscribe button image. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to the specified channel. Let us go to YouTube Studio. This is the YouTube Studio channel dashboard. Let us go to customization. Now let us go to branding. Come down. The third one, that is a video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. Right? Okay. There are a lot of options are there. You can mention this subscribe button at the end of the video, custom part-time or entire video. Now click change. Now click on to this subscribe button, YouTube that you have created using snappa.com. Click open and check whether you need to do any resizing. But already we have done 150 by 150, so it's not required. Click done. Yes. Now video mark has been done, uploaded. Now we need to publish this. Publish is given at the right top corner of the channel dashboard, yellow with yellow background. Only if you publish, this changes that you make in the subscribe button will take into effect. So click publish. Then bottom go to channel, click it. Let us watch this channel. Okay. Yes, this channel. here the right side, right bottom corner, this is the subscribe button. This is the image that we have created for subscription. Okay. Yes. So the viewers who are watching your channel, they can easily come and subscribe using the subscribe button. Okay, let me check another video. This video. In almost all the videos, wherever the YouTube it is, it may have embedded. Right? Okay, good. So easily people can able to subscribe the channel. So that is the purpose of using this subscribe button, including the watermark or subscribe button. Right? So it will be very useful for a YouTuber, those who have YouTube channel. Okay. Hope you understood how to create a subscribe button and upload that subscribe button into the YouTube channel. Okay. So try this. It will be very useful. And because of this, including this subscribe button in YouTube channel, the number of subscribers can increase. It is easy for the subscriber to subscribe your channel if you provide this facility. So thank you friends. Thank you so much.